Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure to tell you guys about it because I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you guys to miss out. So after you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, you are totally in the know. All right, today we're going to be going through the Allure beauty box. I did not get any tracking information on this. This has been the month of July, is the month of the boxes showing up unexpectedly, but really happy that they do. So this one here is the $15 a month box. I get mine through Amazon.com. You can also get this through Allure.com. This one here always comes, I don't know if I said it, it's a $15 a month box and it's free shipping. It usually comes with a couple of full sizes, sometimes more than a couple, and then it has a mixture of some deluxe sample sizes. I really enjoy this box, and if you're getting this box, please leave it in the comments down below. But I love being able to share this box with you guys because, like I said, it's $15 a month and you do get a few full sizes, but they're always really interesting products that they put in here. A lot of them are K-Beauty lately, which have been phenomenal finds for me, and I want to thank Allure for that. I also get the Allure magazine, so usually around the third week or so of the month, I get the magazine, and when they give us the sneak peeks of what's going to be in the boxes, I film that for you guys, and you guys have really been enjoying that, so I'm sharing that with all of you. But what we were able to get was the, I think it was in the June or May magazine, we got the sneak peeks for June and July, so it was really exciting to be able to share that with you guys. So this is a hard shell box. It's one that I always keep, and I always put little things in it, and they always come with a really pretty tissue paper inside. I always undo my boxes prior to filming to make sure everything is in there and nothing is damaged. Try to take off some of the plastics that are covered so we don't waste time on camera, as well as a picture for Instagram before I put my fingers in and we start playing and looking at things here through swatches. This magazine is in the box of Allure. It's a little bit more unique than all the other boxes because what is written in here is written from the perspective of the person who works at Allure. They tested the product, so it's no different than me testing the product and then sharing that information with you. So I love sharing that with you guys. Plus sometimes they sneak in some discount codes, and I like to share that with you guys as well. And I put all that information underneath in the description box. So let's get started. So this is the Allure beauty box for July 2020. The person who writes everything or puts together everything in this box, her name is Jessica, and she's the features director. She always just does a little, you know, almost like an editor's point of view of what is going to be in the box, and she simply wrote, without the usual warm weather joys, travel, barbecues, and packed brunch schedules, she was looking for some pick-me-ups in other forms. She is obviously from New Jersey because she said she looks out her New Jersey window with a mimosa in hand while cherishing all the seasonal things that she can still enjoy at home, like the mimosa. But also a glass skin serum, which is what I'm really excited was in this box, which I'm going to share with you guys, for instant dewiness and lactic cleanser for her face covering and sweat included breakouts, plus a peachy multi-purpose tint that makes it look like she's gotten more than a few sporadic hours outdoors. Considering if you're summer beauty and summer joy, this will be your starter kit. So we're going to go through, I'm going to share with you what everybody wrote in here, and we're going to go through the products one at a time. So this one here is written by Diana. She's a senior beauty editor, and this is going to be about the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. That's what she looks like here, and I'm so excited that this was in the box because I know there was a full size in a BoxyCharm box a long time ago, and I didn't get my hands on it, and I really wanted to try this because I've been really impressed with this Peach and Lily, and this came in the full retail box. So let's read up what this is all about, and then we will do some swatching with it. So they're saying this is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. It says if you run a Google image search on glass skin, your screen will be flooded with pictures of complexions so glowy that they are almost reflective. They seemed a tall order for me, which is what she's writing. She says that seemed a person who has skin has a sheen more like aluminum foil than glass. But I'm pleased to report that this serum has given my stressed-looking complexion that extra oomph it needed and that dewiness. She noticed an immediate glow and plumping effect thanks to the hyaluronic acid in the blend. My skin probably still isn't radiant enough to go viral for its reflective power, but it does look the healthiest and happiest it has for a while, and I'll take that any day. So what they wrote here is the price for this is $39. They're saying this, you can get it through peachandlily.com. There is a discount code on here called Enter Allure 10 at checkout to receive 10% off your purchase of this item, in particular from July 1st through September 30th. So that's a good amount of time. So I'm really excited to try this. This is a translucent and luminous. They're saying it is a peach extract and it's a peptide complex. So let's see what this is all about. Wow, you don't really need to pump this up too much. It comes out and it is running like more like a serum than an essence, which means that, wow, this is, you really need a little bit and it goes like all over. That little bit will do your entire face. So this size bottle will last you. And that's the difference between this hand and this hand. So you could see the glowiness versus just, you know, regular moisturized hand. So there we go. And that's the first item that's in here, and it came in a full retail box. The next item that we received was a brand that I heard about and I don't know much about, and it's called ESEA, so OC, and it's an ocean cleanser. This has a mineralizing balance, it says, and this is the item that we received in here. And this is written by Taylor. She's an editorial business manager, and that's what she looks like. And what it says here, she says her skin is on the dry side, so the wrong face wash can leave her face uncomfortably tight, red, and in need of a thick moisturizer. But she says, I also got new oily patches on my chin and forehead that need something stronger than my usual cleansing routine. So she gave this product with a mix of hydrating and a clarifying oil a go. It is neutralizing all of her oily T-zone and is hydrating her dry cheeks and left her skin glowing. It contains lactic acid and a gentle exfoliator. She says she loved how the gel melted into a silky foam and had a refreshing citrus scent, and its cooling sensation was much appreciated after a sweaty run or a long, stuffy day in front of her laptop. They're saying the price, this is probably not the full size. This is 6 fluid ounces. It says, so one thing that Allure doesn't do, it doesn't tell you if it's a sample size or a full size in here, but the price for the full size is $48. And this, where to buy it is at the OCMalibu.com. And they have a discount code for this one as well. It's Enter Allure 15 at checkout to receive $15 off your order of $90 or more. And that's valid July 1st through September 1st. So let's give this a go. And the other one has no scent at all. So this one, she said, has a little bit of a citrusy scent, and that's exactly what it does. It smells like lemons, fresh lemons. Oh, I don't know if I showed you. When you put this on, it has that marine, the same color that you're seeing here, coming out onto the hand here. And this is more of a thicker serum. It's not even a serum. You can see that it's a cleanser. I don't know why I said serum. And this is even without any water. We just put that glass serum underneath it, and you can see how it's even foaming up without any water. So really excited to give this a try. All right. The next item that we have in here in the brochure is was in this little cute box, which is so beautifully packaged, and it is from the brand called Beaut IQ. It is a beauty butter and lip balm, and they're saying this is written by Paige, who is a beauty editor, and that's what she looks like here. And what it says here, and this is what the packaging looks like inside, and this one was hard to take off. All of the wrapping that was on this was hard to take off. This says, this blush is the unsung hero of my makeup bag. It could make everything better in seconds. That is, if you find the right formula and apply it strategically so skin appears sun-kissed, not sunburned. When she applies this balm to her cheekbones and her outward to her hairline, the vibrant peach warms up her fair skin. as if she spent the day at the beach without all the UV exposure. I also layer the sheer but buildable formula on my lips. The long list of moisturizing oils like apricot, coconut, grapeseed, pomegranate keeps her lips soft and never sticky. The finish, she applies the tint across her eyelids for a supple wink of color. For those of you keeping track, that's a full monochromatic makeup look using just one product. No matter where you decide to put this balm, the results are all the same. You will look fresh and hydrated and flushed. That sounds fantastic. The price for this is $16, or at least for the full size, which I think this is, and it is available at Beauty.com, and they have a discount code for this one as well. It's Allure 25 at checkout, and you get 25% off your purchase from July 1st through August 31st. But like I said, this was sealed really, really tightly. It was really hard to get off. This is what the item looks like in here. I'll take a little bit on my finger. It is very creamy, but it is very balmy-like. So you won't take too much out when you put it on yourself. This is what this looks like here. And I love these little items that if you put it into your bag and you want just to pick me up, if you need a little bit more color at the end of the day, you could place it on your cheeks. I never thought to do this on the eyelids, which I think sounds great. And this is definitely for the lips as well. It is not overly greasy, which is what I like. And I'm really, really happy to give this a shot. This is really, really pretty, and it's very, very subtle. I'm going to take a little bit more on my finger and see if we can build it up just a bit, so maybe the camera can pick it up a little bit better, and I won't rub it in as much. And that's what that looks like there. There, that picks it up better. And there we go. All right, the next item that we have in the brochure says it was, I think, a variance where it was going to be either this product, which we received from Jart, which I'm going to tell you about, or this product down here. And the person that we're going to be reading about is Rosemary. She is a wellness editor, and that's what she looks like. And the other variants, I'll give you a better up close. And that one could have been also from Dr. Jart, but it was the Everyday Sun Day Mineral Sunscreen. But the one that I got was the Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream. And this is definitely a sample size. And this one, what she wrote, she says her skin tends to be fickle and prone to irritation, especially lately. Perhaps it's all of the related stress manifesting on her face. In the past couple of months, she's experienced a mixture of dry spots and oily patches away from each other. It's also dealing with redness unlike anything she's ever had before. The gel cream is what she's using to manage it all. The formula includes her Dr. Jart's signature Tiger Grass, which helps with inflammation. And because the gel cream has a hydrating her dry patches without over moisturizing her oily spots, it's become a twice a day essential for calming her skin. And that's fantastic. So this one says where to buy. It says us.drjart.com. They're saying the full size of this is $48. There is no discount code on this one. And I'm just going to take a little bit out so we can see what this looks like. It has a bit of a green tinge to it, very similar to what that cleanser was. And this is fantastic if this is something that can help make the dry patches, better and keep down the oiliness. It sounds like a real miracle cream. So this looks and feels more like a serum. So I'm really, really excited to give that a try. The next item that we got was a product that I own and enjoy. This is from this company called, it's down here, it's called Lapcos. I actually got introduced to this believe it or not, at a Costco a while back. They had this where they had 5 or 6 or 10 different sheet masks from this brand, so I was able to try almost all of them, and the charcoal one was a lot of fun. So this is a daily skin mask in charcoal. It says a lot of detox masks leave your face downright thirsty. They're often too much for her skin, but this is the rare one that she doesn't have to follow with a hyaluronic acid. And if you're not familiar with hyaluronic acid, I shared that in the last video. Hyaluronic acid, your body used to, and it starts to, your body always makes it. And then I found out that in your early 20s is when it starts to not make it as much. So that's why we try to put it back into our skin, and it helps with plumpiness. It's a positive. So this one says the sheet mask pulls dirt out of her pores with a charcoal power, but it is also soaked in a serum that balances clarifying ingredients like salicylic acid, tea tree oil with the hydrating ones. After peeling this off, the pores on her nose, which seemed to be packed with dirt, were usually barely visible. Wow. Her complexion looked brighter and her face felt hydrated, not parched. These are only $3 each, these masks, and you can buy them at the LAPOCO USA.com. Enter the product code charcoal pad at checkout to receive a free charcoal exfoliating cleansing pad with your purchase. And this is valid from the 1st through August 31st. And I try to mark all this information for the codes down below so that you guys will see it. But I was impressed with this brand and I liked all of their sheet masks. So this one I think is going to be a definite try. And the last item that they have on here is a real sample size. This is on the back of the brochure. It says, stay clear of acne. It's this small little sample size here. This is what it looks like. And it just simply says, stay clear of acne. And it looks like it is a patch that you put on a pimple, and then over time it will help. It says, clean and dry the troubled area, remove the film and stick on the targeted area, then remove after it turns white, and replace as necessary. So really, that's, I think, a great thing, because all of us get one of those little guys, and this is a good way that we can try it. And this one has 20% off your skincare purchase plus free shipping when you use Allure 20, and this is valid from the 1st of July to September 30th. So that's a good try. And that's everything that we got in our Allure Beauty Box. So really excited to recap. We got the Peach and Lily Glass Serum. We have this Ocean Cleanser by OSEA. We have this beautiful balm that does everything, and this is from the brand Beautaniq, I think. And then it's hard to read this guy. Oh God, yeah, Beautaniq. And then we got, of course, the mask that we just talked about, and then the sample size here. And this is all for $15. So that's my Allure Beauty Box for July 2020. Hope this was informative. And please leave in the comments down below if this is a box that you get, and if you got the second variants, or if you've tried any of these products before. Please leave that in the comments down below and share it with all of us. All right. Also, if you're enjoying my content, please take a moment to go right underneath this video and give me a thumbs up. That little thumbs up, the number will change and it will turn blue once you do it. And what that ends up doing is it's a little shout out to YouTube to put my video in front of other people that haven't had an opportunity to meet me yet, but they enjoy this type of content. So those thumbs up do a lot. So please take a moment to do that for me. I really appreciate it. It's right underneath the video. All right. Once again, as always, I do appreciate so much that you take any time out of your day to choose to spend it with me. So thank you. But most importantly, and I always want to share this with you guys, is to completely, this is the most important thing. This is all fun, but I want to make sure that everybody stays safe and stays well, because health is number one, and you don't get to enjoy all of this unless you are healthy. So please continue to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.